I'm Raviana Silo and I'm currently the Assistant Secretary for Melbourne Mizo Association based here in Victoria. MMA works with the people here in Melbourne who identify themselves as Mizo, and we host events that help people create a sense of belonging. As a migrant myself, I understand that organisations such as Melbourne Mizo Associations are very important because it builds our confidence in ourselves and also our cultural identity. Throughout our journey as an organisation, MIC has helped us through their resources and supporting us as an organisation. Because of them, we feel more confident in pursuing opportunities and we feel welcomed and accepted here in Australia. The dance that we're showcasing today is known as Chiro, also known as the bamboo dance if you are from an English-speaking community. This is at the heart of every Mizo festival and we hope that you enjoy it as much as we do.
Sound effects. No le fait dans les gars.
Tui lang sa tuli ni Cherokan.